Are you ready to elevate your workout game? With clear strategies, you can maximize gains and achieve impressive results. The foundation begins with setting clear goals. Visualize your target, whether it's sculpting muscle, shedding fat, or enhancing endurance. This clarity transforms your ambition into actionable steps, igniting your motivation with every session. Next comes the crucial step of warming up. Picture your muscles awakening, as gentle movements increase blood flow and prep your body for the intensity ahead. A successful warm-up not only enhances performance but also shields you against injuries, allowing you to push yourself with confidence. Focusing on form is paramount. Imagine the precision of each movement sculpting your physique. Prioritizing quality over quantity ensures you engage the appropriate muscles and reduces the risk of injury. Each rep becomes a step closer to your aspiration. As you master the art of effective training, incorporating strength training introduces the power of resistance. Visualize your muscles growing more robust with every weight lifted, while your metabolism gets a welcome boost. This synergy not only enhances muscle mass but accelerates fat loss, transforming your body into a powerhouse of efficiency. Variety reigns supreme. Imagine the thrill of change as you mix up your workouts. Altering your routine keeps your muscles guessing, staving off plateaus. Each new challenge is like a fresh adventure, paving the way for continuous growth and sustained motivation. Hydration plays a critical role. Visualize a well of refreshing water, vital for fueling your performance. Drinking water pre, during, and post-exercise is essential to keep your energy levels peaked and optimize recovery. Ensuring you're always at your best. Progress tracking is another key element. Picture documenting every achievement in a workout journal like a roadmap to success. Monitoring your gains helps reveal patterns, enabling you to adjust your approach and ensure you stay on course toward your fitness goals. Lastly, remember to embrace rest and recovery. Imagine your muscles revitalizing during those well-deserved breaks. Giving your body time to repair is fundamental to growth, so cherish those rest days as they are essential for long-term success. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more fitness advice.